coded complex. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to add a watermark to your Microsoft Word document. If you are ready, let's go there. Alright, so go to design, click on the design tab. On the top right corner, you'll see watermark, page border, and page color. So click on the drop down arrow here. Alright, so you will see already predefined watermarks. Alright, but we are going to use custom watermark. Come down here and click on custom watermark. Okay. Alright, so it will give you options for no watermark or a picture watermark. Alright, so in case you don't want to use any watermark, you can select the no watermark. Perhaps you want to use a picture for the watermark, you can click on picture watermark. Alright, so here you can select your picture. Alright, so I want to go ahead and select a picture. Let me just select this. So I'm going to Alright, so I have selected the picture I want to use. So I'm going to use the scale should be auto, or better still, okay, let's leave it at auto. And then I'm going to check this box washout. Now this washout means it's going to be fainty, it's not going to be as bold as the text you are going to use on your documents. Okay, so I'm going to apply it so you can see how it is. Okay, let's close this and see how it looks. So this is the watermark and this is the picture I used, so you can see how fancy it is. Alright, but let's go back and still remove the watermark. I want to remove the watermark entirely now. Okay, so I'll click on this remove watermark and you can see the watermark is no longer there. So let's go back and use a text watermark. Still go click on the watermark, custom watermark, then click on text watermark. Alright, so your language is selected already. So here is where you input the text you want to use. Here I'm going to be using let's say coded complex. Alright, so this is the text I want to use, and the font style I want to use, let me use this. The size should be, let's use 44. Do you want it to be diagonal or horizontal? I want it to be, let it be diagonal. Okay, so the color I want to choose this color. Okay, alright, so let's apply. Alright, so let's close this and you can see we have our watermark here, so we can easily type our document and so you can see we have our document typed and our watermark is there already. Okay, so this is how we can be able to add a watermark to our document, and it's very easy. In case you want to remove it, just go to the watermark, click on the arrow there and then click remove watermark. Okay, so I will see you guys in my next video. Please like this video and share with your friends. If you have not subscribed, please hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss out of any video that I drop. Peace out.